Are we rolling? Oh, hey, what's going on? So today we are working on this 2003 BMW E39 M5, and customer is complaining of a check engine light and the engine's running rough. So went ahead, scanned it. It had faults for a cylinder 2 misfire and literally a code that just said ignition coil cylinder 2. So pretty self-explanatory on what we're going to replace today. Is we're going to be replacing the coil packs. We're also going to be doing spark plugs while we're in there, and I did go ahead and confirm that it is the coil packs. Easiest way to tell it's the coil packs is you pull out the cylinder that's misfiring, so cylinder 2 in this case, and I swapped it with the cylinder 1 coil pack, cleared the codes, drove the car, and the code followed to cylinder 1, so obviously that means that that coil pack is bad. You never replace one coil pack at a time. You just replace them all at the same time, because if one's bad, usually the others are on the way out. And took a look on the date codes. It's kind of hard to see on some of them, but they have date codes of 2013. They are a Bremmy coil pack, which is the OEM manufacturer for coil packs on the E39 M5. So we went ahead and got some new Bremmy coil packs right over here, looking pretty spiffy. All of these are from January of 2024. I don't know if you can see that right there. And then we've got one lone one from 2023, November of 2023. But doesn't matter, they're all new. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those out and put them in. Start the car, run it, make sure that there's no more issues anymore, and take it for a test drive, make sure that the car still has full power, that sort of thing, and yeah, follow along as we do it. And I did go ahead and remove the cabin air filters, the boxes, and the, I don't know what to call them, the ducts that go into the cabin. Remove that for easier access so I could actually get to the nuts that hold the coil packs and all that stuff in. And yeah, pretty easy job. It's all 10 millimeter. Helps if you have a electric ratchet like I do. Makes it go pretty fast. Unbolt everything, unbolt the ground wires, and pull all the coil packs out, and pull the spark plugs, and reverse order of everything like that. So pretty easy. Anyone could probably do this at home. Here's number 1 out. Sometimes the coil pack connections can be a little tough. Don't be afraid to give it a quick yank. 3 out of 8. Oh, God damn. Don't stop recording. Okay, back to it. Number 4. Magnet time. Another one. Oh. Number 5 coming out. Come on, there you go. Number 6. Oh, forgot a nut. Number 7. Come on, last one, baby. Last one. And let's see if we can make that out. Let's see what the best one is. Here we go. 2013. I don't know if you can see that. Just trust me, it says 2013. Okay, so pulled all the old spark plugs out. They are the correct spark plugs for this engine. BKR 6E QUP NGK plugs. And they look pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. Tip's not super worn. Good color. Even burn across all of them. They all look about the same. Nothing crazy going on at all. Very healthy engine. Already went ahead and put the new spark plugs in, so now I'm going to install the new coil packs. Okay, well, that's brilliant. Brilliant design by that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, 1 down, 7 to go. Okay. Where is my ratchet? Yeah, those aren't going anywhere. 2 more for the ground strap wiring harness holder. Just like that, the driver's bank is now done, completed. Just have to put the cover on. The rest of the stuff I pulled off, but let's get the passenger bank done. Lord have mercy, oh my God. Come on, there you go. There we go. I always start these nuts by hand. I don't want to ever cross thread something like this. Well, you don't ever want to cross thread anything, but. Okay. This car has a number of other issues that we have yet to go into. So I'm sure this customer will be back. Car drives okay. Definitely a lot of stuff that is original on this. I can just tell from driving it. Yeah, I remember, let's see, what else have we done on this car? I remember doing a clutch. I think that's it, and an oil change. Yeah, but this car needs a lot. There's a lot of stuff on here that is original, and it is definitely due for a good restoration to get it back to driving standard, where it'll drive like an actual M5. But this is progress, step in the right direction at least. Oh my God. Trader Joe's customers always scare me. They come whipping out. Clutch is very grabby on this. It was an aftermarket one, if I remember correctly. He's got bucket seats in there, racing seats. Look at that. That's crazy. But so far, so good. Car's running smoothly. No issues. Probably hear the flywheel chattering away. Always wanted a diesel Tacoma.
I got one for you.
Yeah. Yeah, Tacoma without the diesel part.
You can make it diesel. I put diesel in it all the time.
Yeah, but that goes real well for you.
What else do you want to work on in this car in the future?
There's something going on with the brakes. When you're sitting at a stoplight, like that last stoplight that we were just sitting at, the pedal, where the grab point of the pedal sinks down. So as you're sitting, to prevent it from rolling, I have to push the pedal down further and further and further. And I thought it was like the master cylinder, the brake master cylinder, leaking internally and it not maintaining pressure. And I pulled the old one out and looked good. There were, it wasn't leaking into the booster or anything. So I was like, that's not the issue. Bled the brakes, it got a lot, the brake pedal feel got a lot better. I mean, the brake fluid was due to be replaced anyways. I don't think that's part of the issue, but yeah, I don't know. We have to diagnose, figure out what's going on with that. I think last time I scanned this, we had a code for a pre-charge pump, but I don't know enough about the system to know whether or not if the pre-charge pump is bad, it would cause something like this. I'll have to figure that out. But otherwise, like the initial grab of the brakes is good. And it resets every time you let off the brake pedal. I think this thing also needs a thermostat because we've been driving for a while and it should be, coolant temperature should be up to temperature and it's not. Okay, I'll give it some gas here. Pretty good, no misfire. Yeah, the brakes is probably the next thing that we need to do on this. But that all depends on the customer and what he wants to do, because this ain't my car. Alrighty, so we're all finished up with this E39 M5. Customer is going to come pick it up in the next couple of days. We went ahead and did the coil packs and spark plugs, and that fixed the problem that the customer had with this car. So customer's happy, I'm happy. This car is slowly getting pieced back together where it should be. Next time around, I would like to fix that braking issue. We'll see what the customer wants to do about that. But yeah, if you have an E39 M5 or any M car, anything with a BMW badge, and you need work done to it, come visit us at Bavarian Auto Clinic. Our phone number is 360-933-1624. And if you want to visit our website, bavarianautoclinic.com, see some of the things we're working on, and subscribe and like to see more content like this. All right, we'll see you guys around. Yeah, talking, testing, BMWs, talking, that sort of thing. I'm gonna step this way, make sure the microphone's still working. Look at that sexy face. Ha 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 ha. Testing.